Greetings my fellow editors, Martin here from iEdit, and I'm really sure that you've been in this kind of situation. You've accidentally pressed something, you did something, and your workspace become a mess. And if this is the first time you experience this kind of problem, I'm here to help you solve this really fast. The only thing you have to do is go to Window, Workspaces, and then hit Reset to saved layout. It's that easy, but let me take this topic a little bit further. As you can see, you can move these windows around in your workspace and you can arrange them to your liking. That means that you don't have to rely only on these available preset workspaces, but you can make your own. Let's play around with this workspace for a moment. As you can see, I can drag around and rearrange my windows to my liking. I, for example, like to have the effects window here on the left side of my workspace. Then I like to have the effects control as my default window here. I also like to have rules turned on in the program window. You can turn them on by selecting the program window, then you can go to View and Show Rules. You can also add new windows to the layout. Let's say that I would like to have access to the Lumetri color panel here and also to the essential graphics. So first of all, I will go to Window and then I'm going to select Lumetri color. Now I can add the graphics essential panel the same way. So let's say that this is my desired layout. Now I would like to have access to it every time and in every single project. I can save this layout by going to Window, Workspaces, and then Save as New Workspace. I will name this workspace iEdit. After saving your workspace, you can find it here at the top of the window. Now I can go back to Editing Workspace and reset it to saved layout while my custom layout stays untouched. Now if you want to delete this layout, just go and click here on these three horizontal lines, then go to Edit Workspaces, select your workspace and hit Delete. So that's it for today, my fellow editors. I hope that you've learned something new and I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.